Ceiling fans are a fantastic addition for almost any space, making it instantly more comfortable and stylish. With a few safety tips and the right tools, you can even install one yourself. Here's what you'll need. You'll want to measure the square footage and height of the room before you shop to ensure you buy the appropriately sized fan and downrod if necessary. To get started, turn off the power at the main breaker panel and tape off all relevant switches so no one accidentally restores power during the installation. Next, you'll want to ensure that the current electrical or junction box is rated for ceiling fan use. If it's not, replace it with one that is. These metal boxes are usually labeled and designed to house extra wiring and, more importantly, support the weight of a fan. You should also check the location of ceiling joists, which you will need for proper installation. Next, thread the wires through the fan's mounting bracket. Then, slide the bracket over the junction box's mounting hardware and tighten the screws. If the ceiling height is greater than 9 feet, the fan may require a downrod to operate efficiently. Ideal fan height is between 8 and 9 feet from the floor. Over a flat surface, slip the canopy onto the downrod and run the main wires through it. Then, insert the clevis and cotter pins to the downrod so that it connects to the fan's base. Go ahead and trim any extra long wires that may not fit easily into the electrical box later. Now, attach the hanger ball at the top of the downrod to the mounting bracket on the ceiling. When installing your fan, always match up the color-coded wires. Then, begin making connections. Safely connect the new fan to your home's wiring by using the caps supplied with your fan's installation kit. The green wire runs to the copper ground wire. The fan's black wire connects to the home's black wire. The fan's white wire to the home's white or neutral wire. And to power the light kit, look for a blue or striped wire. This will run to your home's black supply wire. Once these wires are connected, push them up into the junction box. Then, attach the canopy onto the mounting bracket and tighten the screws. With the fan's motor housing installed, you're ready to add the easy mount fan blades. Ceiling fans with AccuArm blade brackets can also speed up installation. Some units come with quick install blades that make installation that much easier. Place the keyhole slots over the fan's mounting screws, then pull outward on the blades until they click into place. With the fan blades secured, you can move on to the lighting assembly. Install the light shades first, then screw in the appropriate light bulbs for your particular fan. After restoring power at the breaker panel, test out your new fan, both at the wall switch and using the remote. With some planning and a little know-how, your ceiling fan installation should be a breeze. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.